welcome to the Meadows Investment Forum Backstage interview. I'm here with Labrador Gold CEO Roger Moss. Welcome, Roger.
Thanks, Chen. It's good to be back.
Yeah, Labrador has been very busy drilling lately. You seem to have a lot of hits of gold. Can you describe what you found so far?
Yeah, it's been a pretty wild ride over the last year or so. We started drilling in March of 2021, and we really haven't stopped, other than a break for Christmas and a break for the melt, the breakup, and that's been a lot of drilling. We're probably close to about 50,000 meters of drilling over that time period, and to date, we've drilled 4 targets. The Big Vein is the main one. That's a discovery that we made in 2020, the end of 2020, visible gold in quartz veins, and we've been drilling that systematically, going from the initial discovery outcrop all the way to the northeast and the southwest. We've extended it now over about 400 meters, and the depth we're down to about 250 meters. But while we were doing that, last year we were also looking and developing more targets, and we came up with 3 additional targets. One being the discovery at Golden Glove, which is right on the boundary to the south with Newfound Gold, and we've been drilling those 3 targets and been successful on all 3 as well.
Well, excellent. So you're just neighbor to Newfound Gold, to neighbor to their major discovery. Can the people make an analogy of Rupert and Orion, which we just went to their presentation. So what do you see, potentially extending those high grade into your ground, and you're actively looking for that?
Yeah, I think the important thing is that we're on the same structure. So the Appleton Fault Zone is the structure that I think, well, I certainly believe, and I suspect Newfound Gold does, is a major control of gold mineralization in this area, and we're both drilling along the Appleton Fault Zone. Now, there's one critical difference, which may be critical, and that is that where they have been drilling is on the east side of the Appleton Fault Zone. Our Big Vein target and our Pristine target and Midway target are all on the west side. Mm-hmm. And some people have said, well, maybe the reason you don't get such long intersections as Newfound Gold is because you're drilling on the west side and not on the east side. And so our Golden Glove target, which, as I said, is right on the boundary with Newfound Gold, is on the east side of the Appleton Fault. So we just released the first results, and they were positive. There was 6 grams a ton over 4 meters and 10 grams a ton over 2 meters. Mm-hmm. So we're still not there in terms of the length of the intersection, but for the first hole, that gets us into where we want to be.
Yeah, very good for the first hole. So you are drilling along that area. You have a lot more results to come in the summer.
Yeah, I think we're still looking at about 2.5 months of delay in the labs. And as we go forward, we've got another 50,000 meters to drill, and we have this Appleton Fault Zone. We have 12 kilometers from the southern boundary to the northern boundary to drill, and we've got a lot of targets to follow up along that fault zone, and a lot of them are going to be on the east side of the fault.
Wow, excellent. So you just maybe one drill hole, just like the B2 Orion, just one hole. People immediately excited. It's a big extension. So, or maybe you find an even better one.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, that's what it is, right? So it's that one hole can make all the difference, and we're certainly drilling a lot of holes. So we increase our chances of finding that one that's going to make a big difference.
Yeah, excellent. So, how much cash you have? You seem fully funded for this year or next year, for the foreseeable future?
Yeah. Fortunately, in these markets, it's good to have cash in the bank, and we have around 25 million, and so all of that 50,000 meter drill program is funded, plus more if we're successful and we want to do more drilling. So no necessity to raise any funds in the near future, which I think is good in this market.
Very good. And Yeah, in this market, it's very tough. But fortunately, you have this fully funded, and I think the Chris Cat and Newfound Gold got in last round, which is much higher than current stock price.
Yeah, that's right. I think, well, Crashcat was in it really early on when we first started, so they got in early, but Newfound Gold and Eric Sprott got in last year at higher prices, and yeah, so we have really good shareholders. Newfound obviously likes it. They put some money in. Eric is our major shareholder at 12%. Palisades Gold Corp is also in there, and as you mentioned, Crestcat. There are four biggest shareholders.
Wow, excellent. So it seems like a very similar shareholder base with Newfound Gold. There are always speculations of one day, they could be a big gold field together.
Yeah, I think that's possible. It's that I really do believe that Appleton Fault Zone is key to that district, and the more that we explore along that fault zone, the more we have a chance of finding more gold. So I would absolutely think that we are looking at a gold district in that area.
Oh, excellent. I know Quentin always very high on your stock. Can you tell us your team and your background and give us some idea, especially new investors.
Yeah, I think, my background is an exploration geologist. I've been working in exploration, mostly grassroots exploration, for probably 30 years or more now, and with some more advanced exploration, getting into the sort of PEA feasibility level studies. But it's really the exploration, the grassroots exploration that gets me excited, and it's like a treasure hunt, really, when you're kind of trying to find the pieces to fit together to find the treasure. And I know that people have talked about the Keats and the Lotto being the treasure boxes, but our team, I can't say enough about our team on the ground. I mean, they're the ones that are doing the work, that are finding the all these different targets, and then targeting the drill to come up with these discoveries. And it's not just the geologists. We have a lot of local prospectors that are working for us, and even just last week they were bringing back more quartz veins with mineralization in them, and so it's still they're out there every day, and everybody's really excited about getting out there and finding gold.
Wow, good. It looks like your early days, and you have a lot of drilling results coming throughout the year. And good luck. Hopefully, next time we will open our champagne to celebrate for this big discovery.
Yeah, I certainly hope so. Yeah, thanks very much, Chen.
All right, thank you.